everyone, and welcome to this exam support series. In this video, I am going to show you how to access the study resources on the ACCA website. Now, ACCA has a ton of high quality resources available to help their students better prepare for their exams. But many students either don't know that the resources are there or they're not maximizing it to help them prepare for their exams effectively. So in this video, I want to show you how to access it. So if you're new to your ACCA journey, or maybe you just kind of want a little bit of a refresher to see what's there, then stay tuned because I'm going to help you navigate and work out how to get through to these resources. So first, I'm going to share my screen so we could look at that together. So I'm going to go to my browser. And here you can use whatever browser you want. For me, I'm just going to use Edge. So I'm going to type in accaglobal.com. And that's going to take me to the ACCA website. Now, I want to clarify here that you're going to the website. You're not going to My ACCA, which is your student portal. Okay, so you want to go to the website for the resources that I'm about to show you. In your My ACCA student portal, you also have some additional resources in there, but this is the one we're looking at that's available to everyone, okay? So on the website, again, the layout may look slightly different depending upon the browser that you're using. So we're going to go to the menu at the top right and access the various options. The options you want to go to is students. So on some browsers, you may actually see these menu options across the top of the home page. And so either way, what you want to look for is the option for students. So when you click on students, it will take you to the page where you can find all the resources for the students. Okay, and now the one we want to look at, and if you are a student, I will encourage you strongly to work through the various options that's on there because it's going to help you in your preparation to become an ACCA qualified accountant. Good, but the one for this video and what we're going to be going through would be the study resources. So you can either click on study resources in the menu on the left, or in the main block of the page, you could choose Find Study Resources. So either way will take you to the same place. So if you click Find Study Resources, it takes us to the Study Support Resources page, and you will see 3 qualifications: ACCA Qualification, Foundation Level, and Professional Diplomas. That would be basically the different qualifications that ACCA offers. But we're looking at the ACCA qualification because this is for those of you who are pursuing that qualification. So when you click on ACCA qualification, the next step is for you to select an exam. And here you would see a list of all the exams under the current qualification. We do know that in 2027, the ACCA is changing the qualification, but for now, this is the current exams. And so you've got at the top, you have the first 3 exams would be the applied knowledge, and then the one from corporate and business law up to financial management, that is going to be your applied skills. And then from strategic business reporting down to advanced audit and assurance, all those are within the strategic professional level. And you've got to do your 2 compulsory, which is strategic business reporting, strategic business leader. And then you've got 4 other papers and you select 2 options from there. So that's where you get to find the exam. So if you were taking, for instance, performance management, then you would select the option for performance management. And within these options, you would find everything that you need for the exam. Technical articles, examiner reports, guidance even on revision and studying, how to plan your study. So a wealth of resources to help you to be successful in your ACCA exams. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now because this is where I want to leave this video. We're going to continue on with other videos, but for now, you know exactly where to find the ACCA study resources and how to navigate to the main support page. Okay, but in future videos, what we're going to do is we're going to go into some of the exams specifically and have a look at the resources and then take it from there so that you'll be able to know how to use those resources to help you to better prepare for your exams. So I hope you have found this video helpful. Please share it with anyone you know that might be studying for ACCA qualification, and feel free to follow along for the rest of the series. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded another video.